Hey guys, let's check what you can get in TurboPi package. We got a set of blanket here, chassis, expression board cover, base blanket, U-shaped blanket, pen tool, ultrasonic sensor mounted blanket. Ultrasonic sensor can be mounted on it, like this. Down here, we have a Raspberry Pi expression board, 2 digital servos, 4 TT motors, 4 mechanical wheels. You can tell whether it is left wheel or right wheel by the markings on it. L refers to left and R refers to right. There are 2 left wheels and 2 right wheels in total. These 3 boards will be used in AI games. Here we get a 4-channel light follower, a monocular camera, a battery holder case, a screwdriver. The kit also comes with some accessories, including wires. This USB cable is connected to monocular camera. Screw back. You can use them to complete the assembly. For couplings, they should be attached to wheels. 2 pairs of servo arms, as well as copper columns. You will also get a Raspberry Pi, 2 LiPo batteries, 1 battery charger and a cable, 3 heat sinks. You can stick down to Raspberry Pi to dissipate heat. 1 card reader and an SD card. Before operating the robot, you need to download the system image to the SD card, then insert it into Raspberry Pi. Okay, that's what's in the TurboPi package. Start assembling your TurboPi and experience the game.